Can you hear us pretty good? Around that? Okay, you go. You get closer. Hi, everybody. We're Mountaintop Sound. Mountaintop! Nice to see you again. We've had no time to practice, so we're just going to wing it. Ready? After you, darling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to do a song called The Struggle, and it's often a struggle to play, so we'll see how it goes, especially with 2 weeks of not playing and then picking up our instruments, so let's go for it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Home, home, where you gonna go? Home, home, is right there in your soul. Little boy, come right here, sit down and listen to me. Take a look around, we don't have much, but what we have is share for free. In life we find our ups and downs as long as you can. Share your heart with someone true, it might be enough. Lost little girl, come right here, sit down and listen to me. Tell her on the soul, life may lie to fear, he's gonna need some TLC. No scrubs, if only you can promise to be patient with him. A product of another time, it's not his nature. Home, home, where you gonna go? Home, home, is right there in your soul. people never care. Only think about themselves. They'll alone up in their hell. It's just them against the world. Just let go. It can't help. Don't stand alone. Come right here. Sit down and listen to me. Starve all your friends. Face all your fears. Then someday life will set you free. We can't get lost up in our heads when life's too much. Dust your heart and keep the faith, it might be enough. Thank you.